Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can rearrange and customize your home screen in the Samsung Galaxy M14. So at the start, if you want to open the home screen settings, just hold the finger on the empty place on the display, and there we have a few options. The wallpaper and style and themes, it's a little bit obvious, but in the wallpaper and style you can change your system color. In the color palette section, just tap on it, choose your new colors and click apply. And now the icons in the top menu, the accent in the settings should be blue, I think. Yes, this is how it works. Okay, the next one, if you want to add any widget, click here, choose the widget from the expand the app that you want to get a widget from it, and choose your desired one. Just hold the finger on it, and how you can see, now you can add it to the home screen. If you want to resize it, just use that little edge, but if you want to remove it, hold the finger, choose remove, that's it. If you want to make a folder, just hold any app, drop onto another, and we have a folder. To change the color of the folder, click here, select your desired one. You can also change the folder name and add more icons by this little plus. If you want to remove the folder, just take out all of the apps from it to the home screen again. Okay, now if you want to open the more settings, click here, and how you can see, there you can change the app and home screen grid to change the amount of the apps in the columns and in the rows, like here. You can also enable landscape mode if you want to use the home screen in this landscape mode. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.